Are you seeking to supercharge your server's performance? Look no further than the NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR4-2666MHz ECC LRDIMM. Designed explicitly for server environments, this memory upgrade offers unparalleled speed, reliability, and efficiency. With a massive 512GB capacity spread across 8 modules of 64GB each, it's a powerhouse ready to handle the most demanding workloads. Utilizing DDR4-2666MHz technology, this memory operates at a standard 1.2V, ensuring optimal performance while minimizing energy consumption. Its ECC LRDIMM architecture ensures data integrity and reliability, crucial for server operations. Manufactured with top-tier components from industry giants like Micron, Samsung, or Hynix, you can trust in its quality and durability. Whether you're managing a tower server, rack server, blade server, or array, the NEMIX RAM ECC LRDIMM is your ticket to enhanced performance. Its DDR4 technology offers double the bandwidth and energy efficiency compared to DDR3, giving your server the boost it needs to handle intensive tasks with ease. Backed by a lifetime replacement warranty, NEMIX RAM stands by the quality of its product, reaffirming its commitment to customer satisfaction. Since 1993, NEMIX RAM has been a trusted name in server memory upgrades, and this offering continues that tradition of excellence. In conclusion, if you're serious about optimizing your server's performance, the NEMIX RAM 512GB DDR4-2666MHz ECC LRDIMM is the ultimate choice. Upgrade today and experience the difference firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.